Hi, this is Luke from Toolbox Plus. Today we have a 2019 Kia Cerato, stock number 6101. This ran from 04 2018 to the current shape. It has a G4NA 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NA 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, rear tailgate no dents, right rear taillight, right rear 16-inch steel wheel flat tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 16-inch steel wheel flat tyre, right front door mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, has a scratch, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,